Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing and a demo of the Maniology Bloomin Babe Stamping Starter Kit. I got this kit for free. It wasn't sent to me. What I mean is anybody can get these kits for free. You just have to pay the shipping. So for $8, all this came in the box. You get 2 stamping plates. You get a stamping guide and all this other fun stuff in the little pamphlet. You get a scraper. It says Maniology and it has some like pretty colorful stuff on there, and then you get an ice cube stamper, and it's a clear stamper, very squishy and sticky. These stampers are really good. And you get 2 mini stamping polishes. So it was totally worth paying the shipping to get this. It has a swatch spot on top. I got a green and a purple, and I've already painted my nails with LA Colors Quick Dry Nail Polish in Moment. Well, this kit is so awesome. I've already prepped my nails. I have my stamper set aside. I'm peeling the blue layer off of the plate. And I'm going to provide a link in the description box where you guys can go and grab one of these as well. If you're interested, it's a great thing for beginners, or if you're, you know, way far down in the line of stamping. And basically in this video, I just wanted to show you guys how the plate worked and the stamper and all that stuff. It works amazing. I was very curious about these polishes, and yes, they work really nicely as well. And the great thing also about stamping polishes, not only that they're really pigmented usually, but you don't have to work as fast because they're slower drying than opposed to using regular polish. If you're using regular polish, you have to speed. To clean the plates, I'm using pure acetone, and I'm using a lint roller to clean the stamper. You do not want to use any kind of nail polish remover on your stamper head. You will ruin it. Also, to prep your stamper, use some soapy water to clean it off and pat dry all the excess water, and that should prime it and prep it ready to go. And yes, there's nothing to it. You just put your polish onto the image, scrape it into the image, downward, sideways, backwards, you know, forward, it doesn't matter. Just scrape the polish into it and roll your stamper over top of it, and then press it into your nail. I'm using the Maniology Smudge Free Top Coat. This stuff is amazing. I don't know why it took me so long to get me a bottle of this. If you love stamping, you're definitely going to love this. It's a water-based clear top coat, so it does not smudge your stamping. And you can put it on like right away. It doesn't smudge. So you can put it on right away. Now here, I'm just cleaning up the nails. And I didn't mean for this to be like a super informative video or anything like that. I just really wanted to do an unboxing, shed some light on this little kit. And they have all kinds of different styles. Now I'm applying the cuticle oil because we just literally suck the life out of our cuticles, cleaning them up. And there's the finished mani. So I used both shades of the stamping polish, alternating different images, and I love how it came out. I think it looks beautiful with this blue background. And once again, the kit was called Bloomin Babe. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, an unboxing and a demo, and a little chatty chat. Now in the future, we will be doing like a stamping 101 kind of video, so stay tuned for that. I thank you guys so much for watching. Check the description box for additional links, and stay tuned for more videos like this. Don't forget to like the video, comment, and subscribe. Ring the bell if you haven't already, and check that description box for additional links. Well, thank you so much for watching.